Hey Eddie, thank you for taking me out to the forest. Yeah, Red, you're welcome. What are we doing in the woods again? The mayor said there's a lot of sick skunks in the forest that have been seen at this time of day. But it is not but it's almost evening. Okay, so if we see one, we're gonna tranquilize it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Red. Red. Do you see that? That's a crab, but this is a no feeding area, so the only question is, what's it doing here? That's a good question. Oh, you poor guy. You're actually behaving, Red. I'm really proud of you. What kind of a monster would do this to a crab? What kind of a monster would do this to a crab? That's a stupid hunch. Oh, wait. Oops. I might have whispered some more acting. Yeah. Where did I put? Hey! Huh? You two right there! Yes? Yes, sir. We found a crab, sir. You're on my yard. You're on my property. But that's impossible. It's not your property, and it says no trespassing. Ugh, gonna get that hair off. Yeah. So what? Did you hang the crab up there? Is he your crab? I hung it up there, and it is my crab. But then why are you so evil to it? Well, my son's been misbehaving, so I wanted to kill that crab. Sir, do you know how much trouble you can get if you feed these animals when it says no feeding zone? Yeah, now give him to me. Red, go start the car. Okay. Oh! Oh my... Oh. You need my slaps, don't you? Ow! Yeah, I was right. What kind of a stupid punishment are you thinking of? You call it stupid? Ah! Eddie! Come on! Oh, crud. Shoot, I forgot to give you the keys. We gotta run. Shh. He's here. I gotta put on my shoes, then we're gonna go. God, cockabur shoes. Not what I was gonna expect. A way to modernize it is just a prayer. Where are we running anyway? What's this path taking us to? Hey! Crud. Dick, run! Go, Red! I forgot I had cockaburs on my shoe. Oh no. Almost got it. Oh, I twitched too fast there. Looks like I'm going with my bullets. What about the sick skunks? We're calling reinforcement. Gotta run. This guy's never gonna know where we're going. Get in the car. Get in the car. Uh-oh. He's gonna come. Oh no! Cannot believe this. Yeah, I can't, and I cannot believe this right now. Red and I are on a chase, and I think we might have ended it by leaving with the crab in our hands. Oh, Eddie! Not now, Red, I'm explaining. Eddie, this is more important. Trust me. What is it? It's his car. There's like a car behind. His black car is behind us. He's in like a Taurus. Go. Okay, we're gonna make it home. I know what to do to get rid of him. Okay, hurry, Red. We gotta get in the house. Hopefully the door's not locked when we get in there. Ha! Yes. Whoa. We're in like a terrible situation. Some psychopath has been chasing us with his pet crab. We were gonna retrieve his pet crab. He was gonna punish his son by leaving it in a no feeding zone. I actually had to drive all the way from the forest to home. And I think I see him.
Oh shit. Shoot, where?
Lock the doors. Yo, lock the doors. Gotta lock them. I locked the doors so we can't get in. They're locked. I actually had to get inside the car.
Wow.
And had to drive
Jeepers.
all the way from the forest to home.
I'm glad you made it safe.
Who is it?
Right, you know?
Oh, yeah, I know who it is. Red, go call the police. He's trying to bust the door down. I gotta stop him. Mom, you gotta do something. We have a gun here, you. And I don't want to shoot you.
What do you need me to do?
Red's calling the cops, so we gotta get away from him.
Alright, see you later.
Red! Yes? Are the cops on their way? Yes. That must be them. No, it's a fire truck. Crud, I forgot to do the flag when we got back. Actually went in the car for acting. Yeah. Oh, crud. Oh my gosh, I rushed all the way from the forest to the car. Uh-oh. If you bust that, I will cut you with the glass. Uh-oh, okay. Almost still try it. He's coming back to the front. He's in. He unlocked the door and got in. Where is it? You're gonna pay. Oh, here, take this. Oh, hey! Don't ground, you! Dang it! I'm screwed. Yeah, right, you're screwed. You're under arrest is what you are. Walk to my car. I'm gonna have to explain to this cop. I'm explaining to him. I had to take on the fight, alright? And so Red and I grabbed this crab, yeah, and he was, like, trying to get us. I don't know if he had a gun in his vehicle or what. We'll do vehicle gun search. And knife search as well. Alright, check him for weapons, because I don't want him to try and kill us. Alright. You're under arrest, sir. You're coming to jail. And you are also having it, and your family will be paying a fine. I'll kill you for this. Like that's a... No, you won't, because you're going to jail.
Selectively numb feelings. So if you try to numb the vulnerability, you also know joy, connection.
We're home at last.
Right.
That was a close call we had. Alright, well there you have it, guys. This was a crazy video. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit a like. So see you guys soon. Bye.